This guide will help you reduce the server timeout in CS2 to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access the server configuration. Open the server configuration file for your CS2 game. This file is usually located in the servers directory of the main server, CFG or similar. Step 2. Locate the timeout setting. Within the configuration file, search for the timeout setting. It may be labeled as SV timeout or something similar. This setting controls how long the server waits before timing out. Step 3. Adjust the timeout value. Change the value of the timeout setting to a lower number. For example, if it is set to 2025, consider reducing it to 1200 or 1500 seconds, depending on your preference for responsiveness. Step 4. Save the configuration file. After making the changes, save the configuration file. Ensure that you do not change the file format and that it remains in plain text. Step 5. Restart the server. Finally, restart your CS2 server for the changes to take effect. This will apply the new timeout settings and should help reduce any delays experienced during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively reduce the server timeout in CS2. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.